Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a community quiz post on your YouTube channel. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right, then go to view your channel. Once you're on here you should see the post option and just tap on that. Then you should see the option to add a quiz. So all you need to do is tap on there, then just type in a question, and then you can add multiple answers. Then you can add more answers on there as well. You can also delete different answers as well if you want to take them off. And then once you've done that, just click on which one is the correct answer. And it'll also give you an option to explain why it's correct as well. So you can add in that information. Then you can also just select post to add it to your community tab straight away. Or you can click on this arrow and schedule a post as well. So you can obviously just change the date, the time, and also the local time as well if you want to do that. Then all you have to do is select schedule or post, and that will add a quiz to your community tab. Thanks for watching.